Homeowners in Anthem are increasingly turning to eco-friendly windows and doors as part of their efforts to create energy-efficient, comfortable, and sustainable homes. While investing in high-quality, environmentally responsible products is a great first step, one crucial factor determines how well those products actually perform: professional installation. Even the best eco-windows and doors won't deliver their promised efficiency, comfort, or longevity if they're not installed correctly. That's why working with trusted experts is essential to protect your investment, ensure peak performance, and enjoy all the benefits that modern, energy-efficient designs have to offer. Here's why professional installation matters, and how it makes all the difference for Anthem homeowners. Precision fit for maximum energy efficiency. Eco-windows and doors are designed to reduce heat transfer, helping your home stay cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. However, their performance depends heavily on how they're installed. A small gap, uneven frame, or poor seal can let air leak in or out, undermining the product's energy-saving capabilities. That means higher utility bills and reduced comfort, the exact problems eco-friendly products are meant to solve. Professional installers take precise measurements and use advanced sealing techniques to ensure a perfect, airtight fit. For Anthem's hot, dry climate, this makes a major difference, preventing conditioned air from escaping and keeping outdoor heat where it belongs, outside. Proper installation prevents moisture and dust infiltration. Anthem homeowners are no strangers to dust and temperature extremes. Poorly installed windows and doors can let in unwanted dust, moisture, and even pests, all of which can affect indoor air quality and lead to maintenance issues. Certified professionals understand how to install eco-windows and doors using moisture barriers, weather stripping, and insulation materials that provide a complete seal. This keeps your interior environment clean, comfortable, and well protected from Arizona's desert dust and occasional heavy rains. Longevity and performance that last. Eco-friendly products are built to last, often featuring durable materials like fiberglass, aluminum, or composite frames designed to resist warping, cracking, and fading. But improper installation can shorten their lifespan dramatically. When windows or doors aren't level or properly secured, stress points can form over time, leading to gaps, warping, and difficulty in operation. Professional installers ensure the product is mounted securely and aligned perfectly, allowing for smooth operation, reduced wear, and extended durability. In short, proper installation helps you get the most out of your eco-investment for decades to come. Maintaining manufacturer warranties. Most high-performance eco-windows and doors come with generous warranties, but they also come with fine print. Many manufacturers require professional installation for the warranty to remain valid. By hiring qualified professionals, Anthem homeowners can ensure that their installation meets manufacturer standards, protecting their coverage. If any issues arise later, you'll have peace of mind knowing your investment is fully backed by both the product warranty and the installer's workmanship guarantee. Aesthetic and structural perfection. Eco-windows and doors aren't just about performance, they're also about style and curb appeal. Anthem homes often feature a mix of modern designs and southwestern influences, meaning precision installation plays a big role in achieving a flawless finish. Professional installers align every edge, corner, and frame to enhance your home's aesthetics. The result is a clean, polished look that complements your architecture while boosting your property's overall value. Additionally, pros understand how to integrate new installations seamlessly with existing walls and structures, avoiding damage or uneven finishes that DIY efforts can cause. Local expertise that understands Anthem's climate. Choosing local professionals for installation ensures your home benefits from expertise specific to Anthem's environment. Local installers know how to handle the region's unique challenges: intense sunlight, high temperatures, and occasional monsoon humidity, and can recommend the right materials and techniques for long-term protection. They also stay up to date with local building codes and energy standards, ensuring your installation meets all requirements while enhancing your home's efficiency and safety. Final thoughts: when it comes to eco-windows and doors, installation quality is just as important as product quality. In Anthem's demanding climate, Professional installation ensures that your investment delivers its full potential, from energy savings and durability to improved comfort and beauty. By trusting skilled local experts, you're not only enhancing your home's sustainability but also securing lasting performance and peace of mind. Because when your windows and doors are installed right, you'll feel the difference every day, in comfort, quiet, and confidence.